Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. This one is just unbelievable. So about a month ago, we had a dealership reach out to us and wanted us to come out and do an evaluation of their service department. It was a fairly large dealership in a large metro market. We went out there and we spent a couple of days and we evaluated everything, and we found lots of areas that we could make some very easily correctable adjustments to. Now, this service department was actually not even making money. They weren't even profitable. One of the things we looked into is that they had just recently signed up with a service BDC company. They had decided that they wanted to set up a service BDC, which we fully agree with. We think it's a great idea. They are paying this BDC company $8,000 a month for 12 months to help them set up and do the training. And we went in there, and one of the things that we noticed was that they were not booking. Their appointments ratio to calls was very low. And then their appointment to shows were very low. And here's what we uncovered. One example. If a customer called in and wanted a price on a brake job, this service BDC company had set up a menu system for the service BDC rep to quote a price. Let me give you an example. If you called in and wanted a price on brakes, front and rear, for a particular vehicle, they were quoting $680, $340 per axle. But the problem is this. In that quote was pads and rotors. And nobody was making appointments. We then went and called 3 local tire shops, independent shops in the market. They were quoting $210 per axle, because all they were doing was quoting new pads. And then when the customer got there, if they needed to have the rotors turned or replaced, they were then selling them that upgraded service. Here's where this gets unbelievable. When we sat down with the dealer and we told him about this, he didn't want to make a change. And here's the reason why. He said, well, I've already committed, I'm under contract, so I need to do what they've told me for the year to then see how it's going to work out. It's not working out. Their numbers have actually declined. But because he's in a contract, which we would never recommend that you sign a long-term contract for anything, he is committed. And now he's not making any changes, and things are just getting worse. It's amazing we're not making more money. Good luck, everyone.